What are some benefits of gold IRAs? The gold IRA is a great way to invest in precious metals without having to pay taxes. You can buy physical gold and silver bullion coins at any reputable coin shop. If you want to set up a new gold IRA or rollover an existing 401k to a gold IRA, some reputable online providers can offer many advantages to investing in precious metals through a gold IRA. We highly recommend Augusta Precious Metals as our top pick. 1. Tax advantages. One of the biggest tax advantages of owning gold and silver is that they are considered tangible assets. Tangible assets are not taxed until they are sold. When you sell your gold and silver, you receive capital gains treatment, meaning that you do not have to pay taxes on the profits. 2. Physical security. Physical security is another benefit of owning gold and silver. Because these items are valuable, thieves tend to avoid stealing them. In addition, if you store your gold and silver inside a bank's safe deposit box, you can feel confident knowing that your valuables are protected. 3. Flexibility. Another advantage of investing in gold and silver is that you can diversify your portfolio. You can use your gold and silver to hedge against inflation. As the value of paper money decreases over time, the purchasing power of your savings account will decrease. However, if you own physical gold and silver, then their value does not change. 4. Portability. If you decide to move to a different state or country, you can take your gold and silver with you or hold them in a secure depository. Unlike stocks, bonds, and other investments, you cannot simply mail your gold and silver to a new location. 5. Investment options. You can use your gold and or silver to make purchases. Many people choose to use their gold and silver to purchase jewelry, fine art, collectibles, and even high-end automobiles. 6. Low maintenance. Because gold and silver are durable, they require little maintenance. You do not need to polish them or clean them. You just need to keep them away from moisture and humidity. To get more information on a gold IRA or speak to someone about rolling over a 401k to a gold IRA, call 1-855-470-4636 to speak to a friendly, helpful representative.